Carrabassett Valley ATV Club was established in 2010. The club has over 25 miles of trails, which allows it to connect with hundreds of other miles of trails within the state. The work they've been doing the past summer has involved volunteers as well as some contractors. The recent work involves rerouting of some of the ATV's trails, which were adjacent to the Bigelow Preserve on a CMP power line.
These are they're essentially five. Well, some of these are 5 and some are 4 pieces of 12 by 12 inch timbers, and they're bolted together. Then they have a little handle. Most of them still have a little handle to move them. Originally, when we bought them, they were 16 feet long and 16 feet wide, and we cut them in half. They were called crane mats, and they were put in when CMP was building new power lines down south. They were put in for cranes and heavy equipment to go across. Then they pull them out and sell them, and we bought 48 of them, cut them in half, and wound up with 96 pieces, which are 8 feet wide, which is a nice path, for our purposes. This stuff should be around for a long, long time. All of our trails we consider to be multiple use. We invite snowmobilers. We share a lot of trails with snowmobiles. The bike clubs, hikers. We've actually seen hikers walking through here.
This season, huge progress was made thanks to lots of grant funding. Grant funding from the town of Carrabassett Valley, local TIF funds, and the state of Maine. So get out and enjoy the ATV trails, and remember the hard work that goes into them.